Welcome back to NYSE TV Live on this Monday. Earlier this hour, Acuren rang the opening bell right here at the New York Stock Exchange to celebrate its recent NYSE listing. And joining me now here in Studio One is Robbie Franklin, the company's co-chairman. My man, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Excited to be here.
Huge moment, uplisting officially here at the New York Stock Exchange. For any of our viewers watching this, maybe just getting a bit of an introduction to the company for the first time. What's it all about, and what does this mean to you to be here at the exchange?
Look, this is a really exciting time for our company. We had an untraditional path to being public. We do these UK listed acquisition vehicle structures and really go about trying to buy a world-class leading company and bring it to the public markets and really scale up from there. So Acuren is a asset integrity business. Our vision, and represented in our ticker symbol, is to build a world-class leading TIC company. So testing, inspection, compliance, and certification. So today, Acuren does about $1 billion of revenue, 185 million of EBITDA. And we recently announced an acquisition of a company called NV5, which is really a merger, which will about double the size of the business, taking us into more engineering, geospatial work. So really an exciting opportunity for the business.
What did the last few quarters for the company look like, Q3, Q4? What are the milestones that most stand out to you from the last year, or anything upcoming you're most excited about?
So for us, we have a very stable base business with Acuren. Being public, we're bringing in a lot of new resources. The M&A landscape has totally changed. We've opened up the aperture. The business is performing well despite sort of navigating a very complex macro environment. So all things, our industry has a lot of strong tailwinds, aging US infrastructure or North American infrastructure. And for us, it's all about finding new and better ways to service that infrastructure to extend the life of those assets.
You said open the aperture. I love a good photography reference there for sure. Can you give us a bit of a sneak peek to any of the new initiatives or top priorities you think for the company, especially now that you're firmly rooted here in the NYSE community, things coming up that you're most excited about?
So I think we've gone a little faster than most. We have announced pretty shortly after our listing was completed, we announced a $1.7 billion acquisition on a company that has a market cap of around $1.2 billion to start with. So already doubling the size of the business, taking us into new end markets. We're very bullish and excited to welcome the NV5 team into the Acuren business. There's a lot of opportunities with the two companies, a lot of synergies and cross-selling opportunities that we're very excited about.
Can you give us a bit of an introduction to NV5 for anyone a bit unfamiliar, and why you feel like strategically that's an intuitive fit for where you're at with Acuren?
So NV5 is a leader in engineering, geospatial, and specialized building solutions. It's a public company today. The company was built by the founder, Dickerson Wright, who's we've gotten to know and really believe in the company he's built. The whole leadership team there is phenomenal. But for us, it's all about finding new ways to service our existing customers and take our services into new industries. So today, Acuren doesn't do a lot in public infrastructure. NV5 has a huge public infrastructure business. Their geospatial assets, a lot of government work. All new areas for Acuren where we don't currently play today.
I got under a minute left. I just kind of want to get your personal recollections. I interview so many co-founders and co-chairman people in your position, and they come here to the iconic trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange. What is this moment like for you to be here?
Look, this is a really emotional day for me. I've been very privileged. We have a family office. My father, Martin, is almost a serial issuer here. I think this is probably, I don't know, I think I've been here close to a dozen times. So every time I'm here, it's really, really special. And it's a watershed moment for this business, and we're really excited for the journey.
You're not alone. It's an emotional opportunity for a lot of people in your position. Congratulations on all of the success. Robbie Franklin, Acuren co-chairman, congrats and thanks for being here.
Thank you.